Top 5 cutest cat breeds in the world? Number 5. Munchkin. Known for their short little legs, Munchkins waddle around with a look that melts hearts instantly. Number 4. Persian. With their fluffy coats and flat, sweet faces, Persians have been a symbol of feline elegance and cuteness for centuries. Number 3. Scottish Fold. Their signature folded ears give them a permanently curious, adorable expression unlike any other breed. Number 2. Ragdoll. Big blue eyes and a gentle, floppy nature. Ragdolls are famous for going limp with affection when picked up. Number 1. Exotic Shorthair. With squishy round faces and big round eyes, exotic Shorthairs look like real-life cartoon cats, undeniably the cutest of them all. Do you agree with this ranking? Which cat breed is your favorite?